as y'all can see this morning, Beth and I are wearing the same exact shirts. This is a ride we did honoring several fallen police officers in, where were we at? Tennessee, right? We're in Tennessee. Yeah, so we're wearing same shirts. Maryville, Tennessee is where we're at, right?
Yes.
So we got these shirts, wearing the same shirts. We always try to dress together.
Matchy, yeah.
Okay, we're out until everybody gets here. Then I'm gonna film them all in the morning. Just kidding. They might not like that. Okay, we're getting up. It's like 7 o'clock. Beth and I decided to go get some breakfast. So we're gonna walk down here where they serve breakfast and see what they got going on a little bit, and then we'll come back up. Seems like everybody's still asleep, I guess. There's nobody up except us. They said they were going to get up early and have coffee and all that, and so we got up at 5:30.
Well, we woke up at 5.
Yeah, we got up
at 5:30.
We got out of bed at 5:30, got dressed, and nobody's still awake. So I don't know what the game plan is. Where you going?
I was just looking to see if anybody was up.
Well, it doesn't look like anybody's up, so we're gonna head on down here and eat breakfast, I guess. I mean, what else is there? So then we'll wait for them to wake up and we'll go for a ride. This is a beautiful place though, if you don't fall down the steps. We got tent camping over there. I got places to put your bikes under in case the weather's bad. What do you think? What do you think about this place?
I just love the fact that they have so much motorcycle parking and it's all covered and.
Because this is all like a motorcycle resort.
I know that, but I mean, it's some places that claim to be motorcycle friendly don't have this kind of stuff.
Right.
So, your hands are kind of quiet.
Yeah. Well, it's okay.
Covered wagons.
Yeah.
Good morning. I like this. I think Becky liked that.
The covered wagons. Yeah. And then they have a little restaurant and stuff up here, so we're gonna come back in a little bit after we get our breakfast, then we'll come back and film.
Who's gonna catch the bad guys when they run away? Who takes the time to make sure the children play on their iron horses? They're no gun for hire, but mistake them not to draw their swords if you play with fire. Yes, the choice stays alive. Take it on its stride. Call them the Blue Knights. Watch them ride with pride in the streets filled with hate and crime. Not afraid to take my time.
Billy! ready to roll out. Start dancing for everybody.
Guess that's why they call you Mugshot, huh?
Yeah. No. Yeah, kind of, sort of.
Man, I got And we're doing the dance.
Like a bunch of teenagers.
Yeah, that's right. We got to do TikTok and Instagram and.
Iron Horse pay.
What are you talking about, Ron?
All the pictures and the selfies y'all take.
Yeah.
Well, think about it. Between all of us, how many pictures we've taken in the last 5 days?
What?
Come now.
Come now.
What are we doing?
We're gonna go eat.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
You folks have a good day.
You too.
Be careful outside.
You too. So far, everybody's been pretty nice.
This right here is a crown eater. That's a crown eater right there. He chews on crowns.
Only the red ones.
Only the red ones.
Orange and pink. There's 19 of them.
What's this place called here?
Ironwork.
Ironworks Restaurant. Ironworks. And we're going across the street to the Cherahalla Skyway Harley Davidson. Think they're letting us go. Cherahalla Skyway.
It's away.
Bike parking only. The King's jumping up and down.
Celebrating the sun.
The power has gone.
There's a lot of self-important importance in there.
Bill's gonna sing for us here in a minute.
Is it? That's very good.
You never know.
Hey, easy there, lady.
Where are they going?
This is what you need then.
What do I need?
Oh no, that's a ponytail thing. I thought you could put that around your.
No. No. He thinks he's the king, but he's really not.
He's the queen.
He's, you know, ever heard of,
my daggum knife?
you ever heard
Night.
of mental subjects that have,
Come over here, you behead this man. That was right there. He just did some cute shit. You see that idiot was coming across the Skyway? Just was right at the yellow line, and after you passed him, he just come over in our lane and went by the guy.
I saw that.
You know, I know he scared the shit out of that guy on the Harley that was waving at us.
Yeah.
Because he was waving by the time that guy
He
zoomed
damn
around.
near clipped his face.
Yeah.
It's another lonely evening. But I ain't too young to worry. No, I ain't too hard to cry. When the woman gets me down, got another empty bottle. And another empty bed. Thankfully, I'm to admit it. No, I'm not too old to lie. I'm just another empty head. That's why I'm lonely. I'm so lonely. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna ride on, ride on, ride on. Staying on the edge of the road, up in the air. One of these days, I'm gonna change my evil ways. Show us how to escape. Broken at a promise. Now broken at the heart. But I ain't too young to realize that I ain't too old to try to get back to the start. And it's another red light nightmare. Another red light street. And I ain't too old to hurry, 'cause I ain't too old to die. But I sure am hard to beat. That's why I'm lonely. I'm so lonely. But I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna ride on, ride on, ride on. Got myself a one-way ticket, gone the wrong way. Gonna change my way.
Down the steps. I still need to get my VA pass for these.
Oh, wow. There it is. There's the sign. Oh, I was going to get it for you.
What's
That sign.
Yeah, they had kayaking.
Oh, kayaking.
Yeah, and it was during the Atlanta Olympics.
Oh, okay.
96.
Yeah.
Where were you in 96? I'm gonna tell you.
96, I was in one.
Centennial Olympics 1996. That's where they held the kayaking competitions.
You only go 3 days a week when they turn the water off.
get here early and claim it, though. Claim that swimming hole. Bring your dogs and cooler. And this is my rock.
Yeah. Don't drop your phone over there.
My husband would kill me.
It's Beth coming across the Cables Hanging Bridge.
Cable sinking bridge.
Cable Hanging Bridge.
The Olympics, 1996. And you were there.
Are we in Tennessee or North? Oh, it's National for Veterans anyway. I forgot.
Gonna push you over.
Yeah, that's no 30 miles. You ain't hiking no 30 miles.
This is where they used to hold kayak races in the '96 Olympics, Atlanta Olympics.